Are you confused about the difference between a factory unlock and a carrier unlock? You're not alone. Many people are confused about the difference and what it means for their phone. In this video, we'll break it down for you and explain the pros and cons of each type of unlock so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're looking to switch carriers or use your phone while traveling abroad, this video will give you the information you need to unlock your phone with confidence. So, sit back, relax, and let's clear the confusion about factory and carrier unlocks. When you purchase a phone, it may be locked to a specific carrier, which means it can only be used with that carrier's service. However, you may want to switch to a different carrier or use the phone while traveling abroad. To do this, you'll need to unlock the phone. There are two types of phone unlocks: factory unlocks and carrier unlocks. A factory unlock is the process of removing the software lock on a phone that is placed by the manufacturer. This type of unlock is usually done by the manufacturer or a third-party service, and it allows the phone to work with any carrier. A factory unlocked phone can be used with any carrier that is compatible with the phone's technology. On the other hand, a carrier unlock is the process of removing the lock that is placed by a carrier on a phone that was purchased from them. This type of unlock is usually done by the carrier, and it allows the phone to be used with any carrier that is compatible with the phone's technology. It's important to note that a factory unlock is permanent and universal, meaning it will work with any carrier, while a carrier unlock is temporary and carrier-specific, meaning it will only work with the carrier it was unlocked from. So, if you're looking to switch carriers or use your phone while traveling abroad, it's important to consider the difference between a factory unlock and a carrier unlock. If you want to unlock carrier of your phone instantly, visit unlocking360.com. Thanks for watching our video on the difference between a factory unlock and a carrier unlock. We hope you found this information helpful and that you now have a better understanding of the two types of phone unlocks. Remember, a factory unlock is permanent and universal while a carrier unlock is temporary and carrier-specific. Before you decide on which type of unlock to go for, consider your needs and the pros and cons of each type. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on phone-related topics and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.